ವಾಟ್ಸನ್ ಹಾಗೂ AHG ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಎರಡೂ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ 170+ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ನ ಒಂದು ಒಪ್ಪಂದದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಮುತ್ತಣ್ಣ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ತಮಗೆ ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಮಾಹಿತಿನ ಕೊಡಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸರ್, ಓವರ್ ಟು ಯು ಸರ್.
Good afternoon. As we've already conveyed, this is a special wellness campaign specifically focused on glaucoma and retina. Yakandre glaucoma retina problems are usually ignored even by patients and ignored as far as awareness goes. Eye andre ella focus yavagalu cataract melene irutte. Glaucoma retina are more serious problems than cataract for the simple reason that cataract surgery ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ vision ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Glaucoma retina problem early diagnose ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ vision ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. So when vision is ಹಾಳಾದರೆ ಅದು ಯಾವ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಆ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಹೋಗಿದ್ದ ವಿಷನ್ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ರೆಟಿನಾ ಗ್ಲಾಕೋಮಾ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಗ್ಲಾಕೋಮಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೆಟಿನಾ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬೇಗನೆ ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಟು ಪ್ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ವಿಷನ್. ನೀವು ಕಣ್ಣು ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕಣ್ಣಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಜೀವನ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಗ್ಲಾಕೋಮಾ ರೆಟಿನಾ ಯೂಶಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇಗ್ನೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So along with Star Health Insurance, we want to thank Star for partnering with us. We want to raise awareness of glaucoma and retina, which typically people ignore. It is not enough, if you're above 40 especially, it is not enough ನೀವು ಆಪ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಶಾಪ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ಮಿಷಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಟೋ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಿಷಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಚಶ್ಮಾ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಉತ್ತಮ ಅಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 40 ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ವಿಷನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ, it can be blurring of vision, seeing black spots which we call floaters, you have to come and get your eye screened for glaucoma and retina. And only when an eye hospital ನಿಮಗೆ ಗ್ಲಾಕೋಮಾ ಅಥವಾ ರೆಟಿನಾ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಸೇಫಾಗಿ ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಐ ಚೆಕಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಗತ್ಯ. ಅದು ತುಂಬ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ದೇ ಕಮ್ ವೆನ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್. So we want all Star customers, there are around 25 lakh Star customers in Karnataka, to come and avail this opportunity of getting their eye screened, getting glaucoma and retinal screening including retinoscopy by our super specialist doctors, consultation with super specialist retina and glaucoma if it's required. So we are offering this totally free, and any specialized investigations we are offering 20% discount. And even on opticals, which are the best quality opticals, 15% discount for Star Health customers. Thank you.
ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿರೋ ಥರನೇ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದು, ಬಟ್ ರೆಟಿನಾ ಮತ್ತು ಗ್ಲೋಕೋಮಾ ಫಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ಟು ಸೇವ್ ದ ಐಸ್. ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರ, ಯಾರು ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಫುಲ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಗೊತ್ತಾದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫರ್ದರು ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಐಸು. ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜನ ಫ್ರೀ ಐ ಚೆಕಪ್ ಅಂತ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಆಪ್ಟಿಷಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಡೀಪರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸು ಯಾರು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಿಡ್ಲ್ ಏಜಲ್ಲಿನೇ ಬರೋದು, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಇಫ್ ಸಮನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋಮಾರ್ಬಿಟೀಸ್, ಏನಾದರೂ ಹೈಪರ್ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್, ಡಯಾಬಿಟೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರೋರಿಗೆ ಇದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು, ದಟ್ ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ನೋಸ್ಡ್ ಅರ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸೇವ್ ದ ವಿಷನ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಬೈ ದ ಟೀಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಟು ಕಮ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗಿವ್ ಅನ್ ಓಪನ್ door for all the needies in the sector here. And I would like to just throw some light. For example, if in the last 1 year we have seen about nearly 10,000 claims only for eyes just from Star, imagine how many people will be having eye conditions. So this is a really very noble initiative, sir, and we really thank Vasan team for this.
Now, already I think a lot of things have been mentioned by Dr. Vedita and Dr. Madanna, which are absolutely correct and on the point. Just to reiterate and zoom in on more important points, as said by them, usually when a patient goes to an optical shop, they usually only check for the number of the eye. unfortunately they are not aware of other problems which are going on inside the eye, which can only be seen by a specialist using special machines, and obviously the specialist has to be trained in that particular specialty in order to pick up the findings. Retina and glaucoma are two such specialities. Retina and the nerve in which the problem happens leading to glaucoma, both are there inside the head. They are not visible from outside. So special techniques are used in order to check the retina and the nerve behind. Once the retina or the nerve are involved, it becomes extremely important to get it treated as soon as possible. The later we get the treatment done or the later we do the intervention, the chances of the outcome being very good are actually diminished. The earlier we intervene, we can give back almost near normal vision to the patient. One extra thing that I would want to tell is about the symptoms what the patients usually have when they have this retina or glaucoma issue. Majority of the patients will complain of, one, reduction in vision. Number two, straight lines will start appearing wavy to them. Number three, there will be something called as floaters. These floaters are black dots that are seen moving around in front of the eye. Whenever they look at the sky or a white background, they will see multiple black dots which are moving. That is called as floaters. Sometimes the patient have something called as flash. It's like a lightning flash inside the eye. It is when you click a picture, you get a flash, something like that going on inside the eye. These are the common symptoms of problem in the retina. Similarly, patients with glaucoma, the early symptoms will be when they look at a light source, they will see a colored halo around that source of light. Secondly, they will slowly notice that in front they are able to see clearly, but side vision has reduced. This is also an early symptom of glaucoma. So patients who are experiencing these symptoms, they should come and get it checked as soon as possible. Thank you.
As a cornea cataract plastic surgeon, I want to add on that unfortunately many a times I get referred patients who have been operated for cataract elsewhere in a non-comprehensive eye clinic. Once their retina and glaucoma issues are not taken care of and cataract is done just as a simple cataract surgery. Once the eye is not treated holistically, these patients unfortunately do not get great vision. They come back to us. We always ensure that any patient who comes to us, whether for cataract services, whether for glass checkup, whether for the patient is aware or not aware that the patient has a problem, we always make the patient undergo comprehensive eye checkup, because we have a team of super specialists and we ensure that any silent diseases inside the eye that can be missed, like the retinal and the glaucomatous issues that we are talking about, they are screened here with us. So many a times, like I've mentioned, that all these unfortunate patients, and many of them you must have dealt with them yourself, that many of them spend a lot on their cataract and on the choice of lens, etc., but they are not happy when they do not get great vision. So it is always best that you get a comprehensive eye checkup even prior to the cataract surgeries. Yes, by a team of super specialists.
I'm Dr. Mutanna from Hasana Care. This is Dr. Devika, a corneal and refractive surgeon. ನಾವು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಏಜೆನ್ಸಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಐ ವೆಲ್ನೆಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪೇನ್ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಶಲಿ ಇಗ್ನೋರ್ ಆಗೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಐಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ಲಾಕೋಮಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೆಟಿನಾ. ಪೇಷಂಟಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಆದರೆ ಅದು ಮುಂಚೆನೇ ಡಯಾಗ್ನೋಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಲೇಟಾಗಿ ಡಯಾಗ್ನೋಸ್ ಆದರೆ ವಿಷನ್ ದೃಷ್ಟಿ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡೋದು ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದೆರಡು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ಗ್ಲಾಕೋಮಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೆಟಿನಾ, ಫ್ರೀ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪ್ with super specialist consultation exclusively for Star Health customers has been launched. It is available in all Karnataka branches, 18 branches including 9 branches in Bangalore. Thank you.
Good morning, Namaskara. I'm Dr. Devika Singh. I'm a cornea, cataract and LASIK super specialist here in Vasana Care, Rajaji Nagar. And we we have all super specialists under one team here in our center. So from basic needs to advanced super specialty needs, whatever be your patient's concern, they will be well taken care of here. The infrastructure is well equipped with the latest modalities of technology, surgical equipments, and the patient care is absolute top notch. So I'm really looking forward to your support.
Hello. First of all, thank you very much for coming and helping us out with this. Now, basically, what I want to tell you through your medium is, as you are experienced journalists being heard everywhere in Bangalore, Karnataka, and all over the country. So I would like to just say a few words for patient awareness. So many of the patients, they feel that eye is mainly about cataract or getting the glasses removed. But in the eye, there are many other things which are equally or more important than that. So all eyes are, what we see from outside is actually only 10% of the eyeball. Majority, 90% of the eyeball is inside the head. So this eyeball which is there inside the head, it is made up of many parts such as retina or the nerve which connects the eye to the brain, which any effect or defect in the retina or this nerve can also lead to loss of vision. So any patient who is undergoing any kind of cataract surgery or even refractive surgery to remove the glasses, it is essential that all the aspects of the eye are checked prior to going ahead with any kind of surgery. So it is essential that you should get yourself evaluated in a tertiary care hospital with all specialities. And in the same note, I would like to say that at Vasan Eye Care, Rajajinagar, we have all specialities under one roof. Specialities including cornea surgery, glass removal surgery, cataract surgery, retina surgery, and glaucoma surgery. Even cosmetic surgery and surgery of areas around the eye are there available with us here. So anybody who is planning for any kind of surgery in the eye or even the common surgeries like cataract or glass removal, they should definitely get their entire eye screened so that post-surgery the visual outcome which is there is the best that can be availed. So that is what I would want to say from to you guys, and thank you so much for coming and meeting us here. Thank you.
Introduce.
Yeah. Hi, I'm Dr. Nivedita. I'm the regional claims head here for Karnataka and I represent Star Health Insurance Company. So we are glad that the Vasan Eye Hospital has come forward to support our customers and agents with free retina and glaucoma screening and super specialist consultations, which will be beneficial to all our insurers. So,
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದರಿಂದ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ?
Sir, I would like to tell you that most of the people in India are suffering from eye issues. So insurance is something that is covering eye issues. With, of course, there is a lot of terms and conditions, but most of the policies for from all the companies do cover eye health issues in the policies. So coming forward and creating this awareness from the hospital and the insurance side will be definitely beneficial to the customers. Now, Vasan being one of the largest group chain of eye hospitals, they are supporting one of the largest insurance company, which is a private insurance company in India. So we are hoping that we can reach out to maximum customers, maximum people out there to give a better service. And when it's something like, support with the best doctors around and giving a free service, I'm sure that will also bring in more people to come and get their eyes first screened. Because most of them, when you see retina and glaucoma, it is not something like vision where, it starts with a blurred vision and a person can actually get to know he has power or not. But when it comes to glaucoma and retina, there can be sudden changes in the eye or sudden blindness. So having a precautionary screening will be definitely very helpful for all the citizens in the country.
Thank you.